So what's up guys, I'm Mesh from TechMesh and today I will show you how you can solve your Redmi AirDots syncing problem. And the problem is like one AirDot is working and another is not working. Both works individually but not at the same time or simultaneously. So the process for solving this problem is really simple. All you have to do is just follow 5 simple steps. First of all, you have to just go to your mobile and just go to Bluetooth, and here you have to remove any connection with your Redmi AirDots. You have to just give it forget and that's it. Then you have to turn off your Bluetooth in your mobile. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to take out the AirDots out of the box, as you can see I'm doing. You have to just take those out, and then what you have to do is you have to keep pressing it for 5 seconds until you see a red icon. And as you can see, here is the red light, and that means your AirPod is now completely off. And then what you have to do is you have to reset your AirPods. So how you can reset it? The process is really simple. All you have to do is keep pressing your AirDots for 20 seconds. You will see fast blink at 10 seconds and then another blink at 20 seconds, and then you have here, as you can see, a red and white combination of light, and then you have to just release it, and that means your AirPods have been reset. So now what you have to do is you have to turn on your AirPods again. So how can you turn on your AirPods? Just like simple, you have to keep pressing it until you see white blink. So as you can see, I am doing. So after doing that, then keep your AirDots in the box, as you can see, and then you have to again take it out, and your issue should be resolved. So just let me show you. Then take out and turn, it will be automatically turned on, and now you will see one is blinking and another one is not blinking. So that means that they have been synced properly, your AirDots has been synced properly. So now you can just connect it with your smartphone and you will see just only one option. You won't see like Redmi AirDots L or Redmi AirDots Lite both at the same time. You will see only one. So just let me show you. As you can see, Redmi AirDots R. So if I connect with the Redmi with this, then it will sync properly. So that's the main theme of the video. So the process is really simple, and if you face any problem, then just let me know that in the comment section below. So now you can just go to YouTube and search for any video and check it. And as you can see, this is my channel TechMesh. Please subscribe. So I will also provide this instruction in the description below. So if you have any hesitation or any more confusion, then don't forget to check my description as well. And I make a lot of troubleshooting videos like this one. So if it was helpful for you, then please subscribe to my channel because I will provide more videos, and then I think it should be beneficial for you and it would be really big help for me. I will be really grateful to everyone. So that's it guys, hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.